Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Financial results are out, and Cygnus Credit Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended March 31, 2025 reports 9 months net profit of US $6.97 million. Another set of financial results are from Dolphin Cove Limited. Their unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports their net profit of US $859,290. The Caribbean Poultry Association's 8th International Technical Symposium and exhibition in New Kingston on Wednesday sounded the call for greater inter-regional trade in poultry. Members of the Caribbean Poultry Association argue that companies outside the region have an easier time selling poultry to CARICOM countries than regional producers do trading within CARICOM. A study conducted by the association indicated that Trinidad and Tobago imported an average of US $130 million in poultry meat, Suriname US $97 million, and Jamaica US $80 million during the last 5 years. Some 70% of the poultry imported into CARICOM comes from the United States, followed by imports from Brazil, the United Kingdom, Canada, and the rest of the world. Data released by the Financial Services Commission, FSC, indicate that pension funds are diversifying their holdings. The FSC report also pointed out that 39% of the funds under management were invested in mutual funds, 21% in stocks, 20% in Government of Jamaica securities, 6% in real estate, 4% in repurchase agreements, and the rest in cash. The Commission also noted that 55% of the just over 800 billion Jamaican dollar total was managed by security dealers, 37% by life insurance companies, and 8% by credit unions and other financial entities. The value of the private pension funds jumped to $811 billion, or 25% of gross domestic product, as at the end of December 2024. For the trading period ending May 19, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 9,201,877 units traded, representing 44.25% of market sales volume. Insurance company General Accident Insurance Company Jamaica Limited with 2,621,619 units traded, representing 12.61% of market sales volume. Microfinance lender Dollar Financial Services Limited with 1,956,328 units traded, representing 9.41% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 19, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $51.89 million purchased and US $60.06 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.65 per dollar, selling the US at $159.71 and buying the US at $158.06. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $2.92 per transaction, with selling at $113.35 and buying at $110.43. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.54 in profits, with selling at $211.74 and buying at $210.20. For our credit report tip of the day, A strong credit score doesn't just make you look good on paper. It makes lenders, banks, and business partners believe in your ability to manage money and multiply it. That belief turns into opportunities for lower rates, higher limits, more funding, and smarter investments. If you're building wealth, improving your credit score isn't optional, it's strategic. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.